high on the ceiling.
Ah. It's been hot there, look. Fruit sold out, sorry. Okay, so this is, where are we now?
We are in the Yorkshire Museum garden.
The Yorkshire Museum garden.
This is the hospital.
This is the new house that we bought. I should have put on voice commands because then I could have just say pause video or something and it would have maybe paused the video if we want to pause it.
This is the Roman York. What the fuck is that? Oh, God. Okay, so this is Roman. Right?
This is Roman.
Yes. The 9th Legion built a massive fortress here when the Romans arrived in AD 71. Iboricum York was used as a base from which to control the north. Originally it was a wooden structure rebuilt in stone at about AD 107. Yeah, come on, come. Don't have to wait for me.
Yes,
Standing in an entrance passageway to St. Leonard's Hospital, the oldest and largest hospital in medieval England.
nice. So we can actually maybe have a 360 view over here. That way. So we are taking the route less traveled here. Okay, we'll have to turn around. Okay, stand by, folks. Now we are looking at the York fauna and flora. We are looking for a dead pigeon to make some pigeon pie. Where's the store?
Oh, stop.
Museum. I'll look on my thing, I'll get them up.
This tree is Mathis. This is a Mathis tree. Guy hard at work over here. He's got his little horse Ferrari. This is the Roman temple. Caesar, this was Caesar's holiday house. Baie gras hier. Daai ou het 'n hele dak job net om die gras te sien. Garden. And have a look around. Tulips. Here. I don't know which is the best position. This is like a little bit out forward or move straight up. Yes. So this is actually quite nice. Yeah. Good. Do that. Yeah. Obviously, that's I'm not allowed to walk on the grass.
And then Ron will talk you on the grass.
We look like silly billies here. Everybody's looking at what that. What is this guy doing with his fishing rod here in the middle of the town? I'm going to do a little bit of a lower view here. So let's see if I do a lower view. Right. Straight up. Norman Church.
he died at 44.
This is where they are making compost.
I think it'd be worth investing in the dark room. Got enough space for one.
Edible garden.
It's niet die edibles one.
Well, I'm not eating any of this stuff here just for in case.
Because those are super poisonous.
Yeah, so like the kids are gonna come here and like vomit.
That's really horrible, right?
This is mint, isn't it?
Rose. No, it's not. You'd think because they said it's edible.
Aye.
I think they might be lying because most of this is lilies and most lilies are super poisonous. He's so small. Like me.
Well, I'm sure you can eat this stuff.
Well, give it a shot. We've got medical cover here.
Looks like UK marijuana. Oh, well, here's grapevines. This you can eat, yeah. Oh, you can walk there, I think. I'm not sure.
I don't know where we go from here though.
Stop recording.